How to fix Zoro.to not working. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Zoro.to not working. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you can do is to head over to your browser, and then from in there just search for is Zoro.to down, and then from in there you can see this link right here, which is the first link. Just click on that and it will check the server status of Zoro.to. So as you can see, it is now checking, and as you can see, Zoro.to is up and reachable, means that there's no outages that happened. So probably it's on your end. Now the next method that I can teach you is to head over and clear the cache of your browser. You can do so by clicking and over this, click on app info, and then from in there you can click on storage usage and then click on clear cache right here. As you can see, the cache has been cleared. The next thing to do is to open our browser again, and then just check if Zoro.to is working again. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Zoro.to not working 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.